Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video let us going to discuss 5 and 6 problems in exercise 14.2 in statistics of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before going to the topic, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let us going to the topic. Yeah. See, this is the fifth question in 14.2. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Come again. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. So find the mode of the data. See here, runs and number of batsmen has given 3000 to 4000 runs, 4000 to 5000 runs, 5000 to 6000 runs, so on up to 10,000 to 11,000 runs has given. Next number of batsmen also given 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Right, which means here 4 number of batsmen get 3000 to 4000 runs. So 18 number of batsmen have scored 4000 to 5000 runs in one day match. Next, similarly, one batsman got 10,000 to 11,000 runs in one day matches. So for this data, we will do the mode, find the mode. So first, I'll draw the table vertically. After that, I will explain. Right? See, for the given data, I have drawn the table vertically. So from this, I will find mode. Right? Yeah. So what is the formula for mode? Mode Z is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Right? So here F0, F1, F2, L, H will find from the table. So first, what is F1? F1 is the model class. What is model class here? So highest frequency in the table. What is the highest frequency? Yes, 18 is the highest frequency. So it is the model class. So F1 is equal to how much? 18. Next, what is F0? F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class is this one only. So this is F0. So F0 is equal to 4. Next, what is F2? What is F2? This is frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class. Succeeding model class, this one. Succeeding the model class, this one only, na? Yes, this is F2. So F2 is equal to 9. Next, what is L? L is the lower boundary of the class which is corresponding to the model class. Lower boundary of the class which is corresponding to the model class. So this is the lower boundary or not? Yes. So that's why L is equal to 4000. Next, H is the length of the class, size of the class, 3000 to 4000. Difference between these 4000 minus 3000 is 1000. Yes, this is the H. Now substitute in this. Z is equal to L, 4000 plus F1. F1 means 18 minus F0 is 4 by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus F2 is 9 into its height is 1000. So that is equal to 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is how much? 14 by 2 18s are 36. 36 minus 13. Yes, 23. 23 into 1000. That is equal to 4000 plus 14,000 by 23. Yes, 14,000 by 23 do 14,000 by 23. Yes, for 23, how many times get cancelled? 6 times. 6 3 is 18, 1, 6 2 is 12, 138. 2 is there. 0 put down. So not cancel na? So another 0 put and this 0 also put down. Next, 23 into 100. 8 times get cancelled. 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 2s are 16, 184. Next, 6, 1. Next, here put point and 0. 23, how many times? 6 times. 6 3s are 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 13. So this is 22. So 608.6, that is equal to 4000 plus this is how much? 608.6, that is equal to 4608.6. So this is the mode of the given data. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. This is the sixth question and final question in this exercise. See this one. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 7 minutes, and summarized this table given below. Come again. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized this in a table given below. So in number of cars and frequency has given. Number of cars is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 70 to 80 has given. Next frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 15, 11, 15, 8 has given. So for this what we have to find? Yes, find the mode of the given data. Find the mode of the given data. So let us find. So before finding the data, first I will draw the table vertically. I will draw the table vertically, right? See, for the given data I have drawn the table vertically. So number of cars I have taken like this and frequency like this. So what is the formula for the mode? Yeah, so mode Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So from this table let us find F1, F0, F2, L and H, right? Yeah, so what is F1? F1 is the model class. No, what is model class? Highest frequency in the frequency table. See, what is the highest frequency? Yes, exactly, this 20 is the highest frequency. So F1 model class is 20. So F1 is equal to 20. Next, what is F0? F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class is this one, 12 only, na? So this is F0. So that is F0 is equal to 12. Next, what is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. This one only, na? So this is F1, F2 is 11. Ft is equal to 11. Next, what is L? L is the lower boundary of the class interval which is corresponding to the model class. Lower boundary of the class interval which is corresponding to the model class. So its model class, it is corresponding to the this one only, na? So 40 is the L, right? So lower boundary 40. Next H. H is the length of the size of the class. See, 40 to 50. What is the difference between these? Yes, how much? 10. Right. So let us substitute here. Yeah. So Z is equal to L. L how much? 40 plus F1. 20 minus F0 is 12 by, this is 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10, right? Yeah, that is equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8. 2 20s are 40. 40 minus is 23. 12 plus 11, 23 only, na? So that is 17 into 10. So that is equal to 40 plus 8 tens are 80 by 17. See, 80 by 17 do. 17 4s are 68. How much? Yeah, it is 2, it is 1, 0. 0 put and point put. 17 7s are 119. So 1 is there. So here that is equal to 40.4.7. 40 plus 4.7. That is equal to how much? Yeah, 44.7. So mode of the given data is 44.7, which means now cars, number of cars is equal to 44.7. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down now. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.